Welcome to AZ Superbox. In this video, we are thrilled to unveil the top 5 best RTX 4090 graphics cards that will elevate your gaming and visual experience to unparalleled heights. RTX 4090 graphics cards are renowned for their cutting-edge features, performance, and breathtaking visuals. And these cards are specifically curated to bring ultimate power and realism to your gaming rig. If you're a gaming enthusiast looking to take your gameplay to the next level, you've landed at the right place. These RTX 4090 graphics cards are crafted with the finest materials and engineering, offering exceptional performance, high frame rates, and lifelike visuals that redefine your gaming experience. With their precision design and advanced technology, these graphics cards not only enhance your gaming but also bring your creativity to life with exceptional rendering and acceleration. Each card in our lineup has been meticulously chosen based on its performance, overclocking capabilities, cooling solutions, and overall user satisfaction. Whether you prefer a single card setup for formidable gaming or dual card configuration for extreme performance, our top 5 picks encompass a range of RTX 4090 graphics cards to cater to your specific preferences. Our unwavering commitment to excellence ensures that these graphics cards seamlessly integrate into your system, delivering unrivaled power and visual fidelity. For a more comprehensive understanding of the top 5 best RTX 4090 graphics cards we delve into, explore the links in the description below this video. There you'll discover pricing and additional details about each card. For those seeking a more thorough analysis and comparison, be sure to explore our website, azsuperbox.com. Our site offers comprehensive reviews and valuable insights to help you choose the perfect RTX 4090 graphics card to suit your gaming ambitions. So, without further ado, let's immerse ourselves in the realm of the top 5 best RTX 4090 graphics cards, and embrace the epitome of gaming and visual prowess. If you find this video informative, don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest content. Your support is invaluable, and we're excited to bring you more insightful tech reviews and recommendations. Let's embark on this journey together. Now, let's begin.